Hello friends. Today I will show you how you can set it so that your computer will sleep or the screen will turn off after certain time that you set. Let's get started by searching on the search bar settings. Then click on settings. Then click on system. Click on power and sleep. So here you can set the time whereby your computer screen will sleep or your computer will turn off after certain minutes that you're going to set. That's pretty much it, so thanks for watching. Please like this video, share, and subscribe for more useful tutorials.